today we're going to Bargate and we're going to buy some foods and some vegetable. Let's go.
It's name of barangay or what?
Ninabel.
Ninabel is barangay, yeah? This is dry fish. So many dry fish from province. It's from province maybe, yeah? What is potato? Ah, it's fried potato.
Potato.
Ah, also potato? Look like spicy or not?
It's not fun.
Not spicy? Интересно.
How many cake?
А what is name of cake?
Rice cake.
Oh, this is rice cake? How the Philippines they say it?
Rice cake.
Only rice cake. So many different rice cakes. How much? 150. Any of type of 150 peso, yeah? Any. Okay, I will.
180. Special sapit-sapit.
This is special, this one, yeah? Okay, I come back and I will buy.
Really? Yeah, I will wait for you.
Don't worry, I will buy. So need to buy later. I want to try. Egg also. 40 peso, 60 pieces. It's depend of size, yeah?
Yeah, it depends on the
Okay, thank you. Also tools have. Oh, mango. We have mango 3. How much is mango?
Pesos 1 kilo.
1 kilo is 15 peso. Really, it's very cheap. Very cheap.
Mango.
Apple mango is good mango. Apple mango. Banana also. How much banana? Don't know. Okay. So many jacket. Take a look, Shaira. You have same jacket. 80 peso only. Only 80 peso. Very cheap. Hi? Really, very cheap. But it's second hand or not?
Not second hand.
Not second hand. New 80 peso. It's a little bit $1 and maybe 20 cents. Very cheap.
This one is big for guys.
It's for guy. Oh, really? It's 80 peso only, guys. Very cheap. T-shirt. 2 for 150. It's for 75 peso one. So many gold, Shaira. Gold. Real plastic gold. Yes, need to vegetable also. This area is fish. Shrimp also. Shrimp. Not now. $40 half kilo. So it's $80 kilo. It's good price also. Good price. Mango we can buy. Take a look. It's $80 1 kilo. No. Half kilo. Half kilo 40. It's mean $80 1 kilo. Ask about this mango. Maybe different price.
140 dito.
This is 140. This is $80.
Yes, 80 pesos.
It's for 80. It's okay. Small is better. I think small is better. Okay, need to buy. Okay, plastic. Yes, take plastic.
Gano'n?
Maragol, what is translate Maragol? Big plastic, Maragol. Guys, Maragol it's mean big. So you need to know. Maragol plastic, yes? Maragol, yes. Potato need. Any potato you can choose, Shaira. You know, you cook, that's why you know. How much potato?
120.
120. No, here expensive. Another place 100. Maybe today, I don't know. More expensive. It's okay. 20 peso, it's not big price. Also we can buy. So many vegetables. You take maybe for 3 days, Shaira. No, it's enough, yes. If we need, yes, carrots also. Carrots I already bought in the hypermarket, not need. Cucumber. We have in home or not? Okay, another, okay. Okay, not need. Shaira, not need. Mango for 80 peso. You choose mango. Maragol plastic also need. A2 is how? A2 is 2 seconds?
Is 2 yeah.
Banana we have in home. Mango. It's okay, maybe for 2 kilo it's okay. Mango we can eat faster. Calamansi also, have tomato. So many meat. One more.
Agnes, 170.
170.
Mango.
170 mango.
160.
160 potato. Okay. I want, Shaira, I want to buy rice cake. One for 80, she said it's different cake. And one for 50, you choose what better. Also foods, you can choose what better.
Lalo sila sana yung ginawa nila.
What is this?
Barbecue.
Barbecue? Already cooked?
Yes, it's cooked already.
Can it?
Yes? Or you want this one?
No. Barbecue. What kind of meat, Shaira?
Chicken. I want chicken.
This is chicken.
Chicken also.
Uh-huh. Oh, you choose what better for you.
This one, okay?
You want this, but it's spicy.
It's for me. It's for me.
It's for you spicy and for me not spicy barbecue. And how much, you know?
Magkano ka yung order ka ng Sakara? 70.
70 and another?
Same only.
Same 70, okay. Okay. I don't know what is this. Look like red or what is no. Excuse me, what is this?
Well.
Small chicken.
Yeah, a friend song.
Okay. No. I don't know what is this. That's why I asking. What is?
Well, egg.
Huh?
It's well.
Okay. Okay, you pay for adobo and
In short, rat, okay na?
okay.
Then do you hear?
Yes, rice cake. Rice, yes, cassava cake or another cake is 80 peso. What is?
No, it's not cassava.
It's not cassava.
It's rice cake.
Rice cake. It's 50 peso. Another you say 80 peso. Different. You like this one?
It's better.
Okay, Shaira. Okay, you choose.
This one special sapin-sapin.
What you recommended? What you recommended to me? Delicious. This one, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, I will buy. And what you want also? You can. Okay.
This one,
Yeah, one with one and Shaira, what?
Blanca.
150 lang, te.
Okay, come back to home because soon maybe start rain. Hi. Police?
May vlog.
Hi. Good. So many manga, maybe season manga right now. Hi?
This one is good.
What is this? I don't know.
Sariguelas.
How say?
Sariguelas.
Sariguela, I never tried, I don't know.
That's why I said to you, better you buy it. It's 1/4 only. It's good.
It's sweet or not? How? Taste. So many people this time. Now 7 p.m. and so many street foods.